AKA signs another mega deal. AKA has bagged another lucrative deal. But fam, AKA is not playing games in 2018. The guy is evidently here to get that guap and is doing so at the speed of lighting. While the rest of us were trying to beat the chilly weather, AKA was out signing mega money deals. Another one in a matter of days. AKA took to Twitter to share that his company, Beam Group, had partnered with one of the country's major network companies, which he has not named yet. But the rapper has dubbed the company as SA's #1 network and described the deal as major. I just signed a major deal to partner with the #1 network in South Africa to create a platform for artists and personalities that will change the way they interact with their fans forever. This is Beam Digital's first deal of this magnitude and I can't wait to share it with you. The news comes just days after AKA celebrated the launch of his limited edition Cruise Watermelon Vodka. The mega deal has been compared to Diddy's deal with Ciroc and 50 Cent's deal with Vitamin Water. AKA told media at the launch of the vodka that this is the first of its kind in Africa and that he will be seeing coins per bottle sold throughout the continent. This guy be swimming in the coins.
Yeah.